Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best in beauty, one product at a time. Have you ever wanted a flawless French manicure without the hassle of salon appointments or messy glue? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. The Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani in the shade Glimpse. A light neutral with crisp white tips, designed in a medium coffin shape. This kit comes with 30 press-on nails, a prep pad, mini file, manicure stick, and instructions, promising an effortless, salon-like finish at home. From the get-go, this product is straightforward. Kiss claims these nails are ready to wear with new and improved adhesive that holds for up to 10 days. The nails feature reverse dual injection technology, so they feel gel-like, natural, and comfortable on your fingertips, with a seamless finish. The kit is designed for anyone. No prior nail experience needed, which makes it ideal for a quick touch-up before an event or for maintaining a polished look day to day. Testing these out, I started by prepping my nails with the included pad and choosing sizes that fit comfortably. The medium coffin shape is flattering on most hands, and the neutral glimpse color is understated but elegant, perfect for work, casual outings, or a subtle statement. Applying them is genuinely as simple as peel, press, and go. I noticed that the adhesive is strong enough to hold for several days without lifting, which is impressive for a no-glue option. The nails feel lightweight, and the gel-like finish doesn't look fake or overly shiny, which can be an issue with some press-ons. Removing them was just as simple. Gentle pressure and a slight wiggle, and they came off without damaging my natural nails. On the upside, the kit is incredibly convenient and beginner-friendly. It includes everything you need for a complete manicure, and the nails themselves are comfortable and stylish. The neutral French look is timeless, and the adhesive does its job without needing additional glue. On the flip side, sizing can be a little tricky for very small or large nails, since the kit has a limited range of medium sizes. Also, while the adhesive lasts impressively well, it might not withstand heavy water exposure for 10 full days if you're washing dishes or swimming frequently. As for value, at its price point, this kit is solid. You get 30 nails, a prep pad, mini file, and manicure stick. Enough for one full set with a few extras if a nail chips or gets lost. Compared to salon visits, this is significantly cheaper and saves a lot of time, especially if you love switching up your look weekly. If you're looking for alternatives, some other press-on brands are available at lower prices, but they often compromise on comfort, adhesive strength, or natural appearance, which Kiss has clearly refined here. The build quality of the nails themselves is sturdy yet flexible, with no obvious brittleness or cracking during wear. The packaging is compact and well organized, making it easy to store between uses. In terms of longevity, while not a permanent solution, these press-ons reliably last several days and maintain their shine and shape without peeling, which is the main selling point. If you're loving what you hear so far, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support helps me keep bringing honest, detailed product insights straight to you. Overall, the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani in Glimpse is a fantastic option for anyone looking to achieve a polished French manicure at home quickly and reliably. It balances style, convenience, and durability in a way that genuinely works for everyday life or special occasions. I'd recommend this kit especially to those who want a chic, low-maintenance manicure without the commitment of gel or acrylic nails. If you've tried this kit already, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear if it lasted as long for you as it did for me. The link to purchase the product is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.